In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror data on boards in Monday.com. Understanding this process can significantly enhance your workflow by allowing you to synchronize data across multiple boards effortlessly. Let's delve into how to achieve this. Before you can start mirroring data, it's important to establish a connection between the boards. To do this, you'll first need to create what's known as a connect column. This connect column acts as the bridge linking the boards you want to mirror data on. Begin by adding a new column. You can do this by simply clicking on the plus icon, which you'll find next to the last column on your board. Once you've done that, you'll see a search bar where you can type in and select Connect. This action will prompt you to select all the boards you want this column to connect to. Next up, you'll see a list of checkboxes representing the boards. Check the boxes next to each board you'd like to connect. At this stage, you also have the option to create a two-way connection by selecting its corresponding checkbox. What this does is enable any changes you make on one board to automatically reflect on the others, maintaining a consistent flow of information across all connected boards. When you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click on Connect Boards. Once you've completed the connection process, you'll be prompted to create a mirror column. This is an integral step because the mirror column is what allows you to actually see and utilize the mirrored data. Simply click on Create a Mirror Column, and you'll have your mirror column set up and ready to go. Now, let's put these columns to work. Start by clicking on an empty cell under your Connect column. This is where you'll choose the specific item or row that you want to link to from the connected board. After doing that, move over to the Mirror column, where you'll select the specific columns you wish to mirror. As soon as these selections are made, you'll see the mirrored data appear, perfectly replicating the value from the connected item. If you've enabled a two-way connection, it's important to note that any modifications you make in these mirror columns will also be updated in the original column, ensuring both columns are always in sync. This feature is especially useful for maintaining consistency and reducing the possibility of errors across your boards. Finally, you can repeat this process as many times as you need by adding additional mirror columns, allowing you to mirror more data and refine your workflow further. And that's it. Now, you know how to mirror data on boards in Monday.com, making it easier to engage with your data across multiple platforms. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you create a more integrated and efficient workspace.